Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into refurbish. 8 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Refurbish, which means renovate and redecorate something, especially a building. Number 1. Renew, which means replace something that is broken or worn out. Renew. For example, the hotel was completely renewed last year. Number 2. Restore, which means repair or renovate a building, work of art, etc. so as to return it to its original condition. Restore. For example, the building has been carefully restored. Number 3. Modernize, which means adapt something to modern needs or habits, typically by installing modern equipment or adopting modern ideas or methods. Modernize. For example, the company is investing $9 million to modernize its manufacturing facilities. Number 4. Reconstruct, which means reorganize something. Reconstruct. For example, later emperors reconstructed the army. Number 5. Rehabilitate, which means return something, especially a building or environmental feature, to its former condition. Rehabilitate. For example, the campaign aims to rehabilitate the river's floodplain. Number 6. Overhaul, which means take apart a piece of machinery or equipment in order to examine it and repair it if necessary. Overhaul. For example, the steering box was recently overhauled. Number 7. Revamp, which means give new and improved form, structure, or appearance to. Revamp. For example, they plan to revamp the kitchen. Number 8. Renovate, which means restore something old, especially a building, to a good state of repair. Renovate. For example, the old school has been tastefully renovated as a private house. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.